What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about some crypto do's and don'ts in this video, specifically the don'ts. We're at this point in the cycle, we're at this point specifically in this move where a lot of people will make this mistake that I'm going to go over in this video. It's a very common thing to do whenever we have any kind of pullback in a bullish outbreak, right? We are in a upward move. We're in our post Bitcoin halving breakout across the crypto space, right? And any crypto related stocks. Things are just getting started, right? We might have had an immaculate move up and we've consolidated around the space. Like on average, I think we've seen coins drop 20 to 30%, maybe 40% or more on certain coins from the relative highs to where they dropped to. And that can be scary, especially if it's your first time in the markets. Even if it's your third cycle, man, that can be scary. Nobody likes losing that kind of money, right? But as you become a developed or mature investor, you kind of just roll with the punches as they come. It's more of a show than it is this kind of emotional roller coaster of an experience. The only emotions you ever really get are whenever things move up. But I'm getting sidetracked. What I'm trying to say in this video, you guys, is that a lot of people might have sold. They might have sold recently. They might have sold the top and done really well for themselves. They sold the recent highs and put themselves in a position to buy the lows. They might have done really bad for themselves and saw that the coin or the stock or the whatever that was crypto related is down 20 to 40% or more from its relative highs, and that scared them and made them think that it's going to go over a more massive correction over time. Maybe people panic sold. Wherever it is that you sold within these top areas of the crypto market right now, if you don't get back in, now, you're gonna miss the next move up. We're in the post-halving breakout phase, okay? It's not over. It's only just begun. We had 9 days of a breakout move to the upside, and we've basically moved sideways ever since, right? It's not stopping there. We did not spend months for Bitcoin to consolidate, for crypto to consolidate and be boring and even like dream crushing to some extent, for us to give up on the very first instance of any kind of bullish situation, right? For anybody, this video, in case it's not clear, for anybody who's made a sell, you've gotten out of the markets, you've taken profits and you haven't reallocated, right? If you've got money sitting on the sides and you're just trying to wait for a better price to come, a lower price to come, this is a video telling you that it's already come. It's already happened. Across the board, we got a 20 to 40% drop. 20 to 30% drop on average, but larger for some coins, right? Bitcoin obviously didn't drop that much, but across the board on average in crypto, we've seen that already, okay? I said this in a previous video, I want to say it in this one. At this point in the market, whenever we're in these bullish breakout phases, we don't need time to consolidate, we need price to consolidate. What I mean is, for the halving period, whenever we were pre-halving and post-halving, we had this little 6-7 month nugget of time where we took that much time to consolidate before we could move higher, right? It took that much time. It didn't matter how far down we went. It didn't matter how quickly it happened or what. We needed to consolidate for that amount of time. That's where we were in the cycle. Where we are in the cycle now, we don't need time to consolidate. We just need these quick pullbacks. We get these quick little pullbacks. They're what they call shakeouts. They get people who are new into the markets or who are emotionally charged to make poor decisions. And then when they sell the bottom to the strong hands, to the people who are buying and sending the things higher, they will buy back at higher prices. The people who sold at a bad time, giving fuel to the bullish momentum, will then complete the cycle and buy at higher prices, also adding to the bullish momentum. They've added to the bullish momentum twice now, selling and buying back in, and they're not even getting any of the positive results for it. So don't be that person. I don't really know what else to say. I feel like I went on a little bit of a detour with this video, but the main essence of the story is get in now. It's time to get back into the markets. If you've gotten out, if you've got money on the side at all, even if you haven't gotten out, but you're thinking about getting in, get in now. It's the time to get into the crypto markets. We've had our pullback. I would say buy the dip, but we've already had a little bit of a bounce. I got nothing else that I want to say. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Do not miss this next move. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I think that's obvious, right? How many financial advisors talk to you at 11:30 at night while they're in their living room with their Christmas trees up? I don't know, man. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.